Why do we say I have seen this film, but not I have seen this film yesterday? Here's the key idea. Present perfect tense doesn't care about when.
Lingportal Online School presents
Present perfect is not about time. Look at this sentence. I've written 4 books. This is the timeline. On the left, the past. On the right, now. You can see the action write books somewhere in the past. Did we say when? No. The exact time is not important. We don't talk about time. What matters now is the result or experience. In other words, the action in the past has produced a result that we talk about now. On the timeline, you can see that the action happened before now, in the past. But the result is here, now. Now I am a person who has written 4 books. I have experience. Present perfect always connects something before now with a result now. So it's not about when it happened. Present perfect is about what is true now, experience or result. Let's talk about experience, not time. If we say, have you ever been to Italy? We are not asking about the time of your visit. We are asking, do you have a visit to Italy in your life experience? Look at the timeline again. We don't need to know a point in the past for the action, a visit to Italy. We see a connection between a past action and now. Now focus on the result, not time. Another example. I have lost my keys. Again, we don't care when the keys were lost. It doesn't matter. We care about now. I don't have my keys. I can't get in my flat. That's the result. Again, we're not talking about when. We're talking about what is true now. Let's see the difference with the past simple. Now compare 2 sentences. I lost my keys yesterday. And I have lost my keys. Both sentences relate to the action in the past, but the focus is different. I lost my keys yesterday. This is about a completed action at a specific time in the past. I have lost my keys. This is about a result that is important now. Same action, different focus. Why can't we use time expressions with the present perfect? Now let's see why pointing to a time is wrong. I have seen this film yesterday. The problem is that by pointing to an exact time, you create a finished time in the past. For example, yesterday, last week, in 2020. All of these answer one question: when exactly? But present perfect never answers when. It only shows experience or result now. So when you add a finished time, you break the logic of the present perfect and turn it into a past simple situation. Correct idea. If you say when, use past simple. If you don't say when, but talk about experience or result, use present perfect. Final memory hook. Present perfect equals know when. Past simple equals when. Let's practice. Have you ever tried sushi? We are asking about experience. Did you see this film when you were a child? When you were a child is a time in the past. So remember, present perfect is not about time. It's about experience and result. Look at the timeline and always ask yourself what is true now. Write your example in the comments. I wish you confidence to speak English fluently, both in everyday conversations and in professional settings.